So, hello guys, welcome back. And today we will discuss the types of questions in writing task 2. So, writing task 2 involves 7 types of questions. Let's look at them one by one. So, the first type of question is opinion essay. Opinion essay is to what extent do you agree or disagree? So the question is asking for your opinion. You have to state your opinion whether you disagree with the fact or agree with the fact. For example, if the question says technology plays an important part in everybody's life, to what extent do you agree or disagree? You can agree that technology does play a vital role in everybody's life, or you can disagree that technology does not play a vital role in everybody's life. Now, the next question is discussion essay. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So, if the question says technology plays a vital role in everybody's life, but it is harmful. Discuss both views and answer and give your opinion. So, in this question, you have to discuss both views. Technology plays a vital role as well as it is harmful. So, you have to discuss both your views and give your opinion. Does it play, is it harmful or does it play a vital role in everybody's life? Now, the next question is multi-part essay. Now, in multi-part essays, you can have two types of questions basically. So for example, here it states, why are mobile phones popular? What are its effects? So there are two questions. Why are phones popular and what are the effects of using a phone? Or what are the effects of mobile phones? Again, the fourth question is multi-part and opinion. So in multi-part and opinion, you have to give your opinion also and answer the question. So for example, the question could say, what problems do mobile phone cause? Does its uses outweigh the problem? So does the use of mobile phones outweigh the problem that it causes? So guys, the fifth type of essay type question is advantages, disadvantages. So the question would be like, what are the disadvantages and disadvantages of playing outdoor sports? Okay. So the sixth question is positive negative essay. So the question could be, fossil fuel usage is slowly reducing. Is it a positive or a negative development? Okay. Seventh and the last is cause solution. So the question could be like, there is too much noise in the cities. What are its causes and what is its solution? In the next videos, we will tackle these question types one by one, and I'll post the sample answers on our Instagram account. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button